power to predict the future is no small feat. To do this, you will extend many of the skills learned in some of the Blocks series activities. Click the Program button in the upper right, choose the Blocks program type, name it Fortune Teller, and let's get started. Your Fortune Teller will offer 3 answers: yes, no, and maybe, similar to a Magic 8-Ball. In prior programs, you only created 2 conditional outcomes. To create a third outcome, you will nest 2 if-then-else conditions. After learning this skill, you can use it to create endless outcomes in a program, perhaps to create a more intelligent fortune teller that offers 20 possible answers. Start in the Controls category and add a Loop Forever block. You will nest all of your logic in this loop. Start by disabling stabilization. Now, add a Set Color block and set it to blue to indicate the program has started and ready to use. Next, you will create a method to ask the fortune teller a question using an if-then block with the accelerometer sensor, very similar to how you used it in the Hot Potato program. Go to Controls and drag an if-then block. Go to Comparators and drag a greater than operator into the True field. You want users to shake the Sphero to ask a question, so go to Sensors and drag an accelerometer sensor to the left side of the comparison. Select the Combine axis and change the 0 to 6 for 6 Gs. After shaking Sphero once, the fortune teller will start listening, and the user can ask any yes, no, or maybe question they want answered. Now give an audio and visual cue that it's time to ask a question. Drag a Play Sound block, choosing the fairy sound from the Effects category. Also, add a strobe block. Leave the color white, set the period to 0.2 seconds, and the count to 12. The fortune teller needs to make a prediction, and you'll use a variable to create one. Go to Variables, tap Add New, name it Predictor, and set the default to 0. Go to Operators, drag a Set block after strobe, and place the predictor variable on the left of the equal sign. Continue to Step 2 to assign a random value to the predictor variable to represent an answer.